We are so fortunate to live in South Australia. The marine life here is so incredible and highly diverse and unique. Some of the marine life we have here is found nowhere else in the world, so I think it's really important that we monitor the reef systems that support these species. My name is Jamie Hicks and I'm a marine ecologist from the Department for Environment and Water, and I'm also the South Australian Coordinator for Reef Life Survey. Reef Life Survey is a global citizen science program which was founded in Australia. It's a group of highly trained volunteers who are conducting underwater surveys on coral and rocky reefs around the world. Reef Life Survey is really about making the underwater world visible. It's a collaboration between scientists, environmental managers and volunteers who are all coming together to collect high quality data which can then be used to assess global marine biodiversity trends.
My name's Danny Brock and I'm the team leader for the South Australian Department of Environment and Water's Marine Science team, and one of our main roles is the protection and management of the state's marine biodiversity assets. One of the things about Reef Life Survey is it's got a great commitment to its divers, an uncompromising approach to data quality and training, and I can attest to that as one of the trainers, that we train these divers to within an inch of their lives. And so the data that an accredited diver is collecting is equivalent to an experienced marine scientist.
Today we're here at the Fleurieu and we're surveying some sites inside the Encounter Marine Park, and these sites are really important to us as they form some of our long-term monitoring programs.
I'm Emma. I'm one of the accredited divers on this year's Reef Life Survey training trip. So we're heading out today for 2 dives. We're going to the Boat Shed and Lassiter's Reef, which are on the Fleurieu Peninsula. Beautiful temperate reef.
My name's Alex. I'm an accredited Reef Life Survey diver. Today we've seen warty prowfish, we've seen velvet fish, somebody saw a goblin fish. I saw an eagle ray at the very end. We've seen leafy sea dragons, we've seen wobbegongs, cuttlefish, lots of blue devils. It's been a really interesting trip actually, lots of really fun things.
This data is really useful for us as scientists as it's able to tell us a bit more about if any changes have happened in the last decade, which can be used for management outcomes.
In general, it's a really good program, and you can basically see where your data's going and how they're actually going to use it, and it's been explained in a way that I think can relate to non-scientific people as well. So my name's Tom and I'm just a Reef Life Survey trainee, so this is the 2nd year that I've been doing the program, so it's been a really good trip so far. Before I was doing RLS, I enjoyed diving, but this has given me a bit more of a purpose, and I certainly have a lot more fun diving when I can recognise what species are out there.
What I really love about RLS is working with volunteers and the people and seeing that transition from non-scientists going to scientists, and just the passion and dedication it takes for those volunteers to get to that stage.
Been amazed at how the program's grown over the years. It's in multiple countries, there's hundreds of divers, thousands of sites and over millions and millions of species records now. And it's got a portfolio of scientific research papers that's, would be the envy of any research agency. Yeah, look, I've been lucky enough to dive with sea lions, seals, dolphins, the occasional shark, myriad of marine life, some of the best marine scientists. I met a bunch of wonderful people, and it's all thanks to RLS. And Reef Life Survey is now an integral part of how we deliver marine science in South Australia.
In 2010, Reef Life Survey divers went out and surveyed about 500 coastal reef sites all around Australia, and 10 years later we're basically doing it all over again.